BYD is a world leader when it comes to heavy-duty electric vehicles, and you will be impressed by this rather cool garbage truck. Its extendable robotic arm quickly picks up street bins, chucks their contents inside, and carries on doing it. It's probably one of the first applications where diesel truck-based machines could be easily replaced by electric vehicles. In fact, this particular truck has a range of 130 kilometers. It is powered by a battery pack of 178 kilowatt hour, which also powers the garbage collection arm on top of its two 200 horsepower electric motors. Its top speed is 56 miles per hour, which translates to 90 km per hour. Each BYD electric garbage truck eliminates about 6,000 gallons of diesel per year, which is equivalent to 78 metric tons of carbon dioxide per year. This may seem not to be a glamorous EV, but it's one that is genuinely useful and undeniably better than a regular diesel burning garbage truck. It doesn't emit nasty diesel fumes, it is quiet, and unlike vehicles designed for other applications. On top of it, being greener and quieter than any equivalent diesel, over the course of the year, using one of these trucks, the local authorities could save money not in terms of fuel cost but also in terms of maintenance. So, here it is, the BYD school garbage truck at the service of humanity, saving the earth and saving its. Thank you. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.